Rubb Buildings is an international company. We build great buildings all over the world.
The people inside this building in Sanford, Maine make structures out of steel and fabric. Buildings that are lightweight but strong, movable but built to last.
Wide-body aircraft hangars cover 747s, 787s. We build big buildings at shipyards and port warehouses. We build buildings that you can lift with a crane, move around, put them on wheels.
Rubb Building Systems started in Norway in the 1960s, a small company experimenting with PVC-coated fabrics stretched over steel frames, buildings that could go up quickly and be moved if needed. The company later moved into the UK and then chose Maine as the site for a US expansion. David Nickerson was just 23 years old when he walked through the doors as a temporary hire. That was 37 years ago.
This gave me an opportunity to be in the building business, to travel internationally, to get to do a lot of the things I love. Engineering is something that's really important to us as a company. It's kind of what we stand for. We stand for building things correctly, following the codes, making sure our customers and their products are safe. When you're putting a $100 million airplane inside of a hangar, you want to make sure that if the wind blows or the ground shakes or the snow falls, that building's going to be there.
The men and women who work at Rubb USA in Sanford have taken projects from design through manufacturing and assembly. There are projects close to home, some are on the other side of the world, others are on top of the world.
It was about a 30-foot wide by 100-foot long structure that was going to be built on the Greenland ice sheet on a sled. And it had to be well insulated, it had to be easy to erect without, there's not exactly a Home Depot around the corner.
We've done stuff for NASA, for the new Apollo-style rocket launchers. It's pretty amazing. You never know what tomorrow will bring.
Built rugged, built right. So we build it to be solid over the long term and correct for compliance with codes and customer safety and product safety.
Adhering to those core values has helped Rubb earn a worldwide reputation for quality. That matters to the people who come to work here every day.
When I see one of our buildings, you instantly know it's a Rubb building. I've always got that sense of kind of like a family.
When I started off as a kid, I loved to design and build things. And I get to do that every day. And I get to do it with some great people. And people both here in the company and with customers, and also with some really good partner companies and suppliers and people that have become friends. And why would I want to do anything else?